everybody, welcome back to my channel. Kenzie here again. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and viewing this video. I'm super excited because it's finally my favorite season out of the entire year, which I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate because why not? The weather is finally transitioning from super hot to kind of, it's definitely not cold. I'm in Texas, so yeah, but it's definitely changing out here, okay? Everything's looking prettier, everything's looking vibier. I can't wait for those fall rainy days. Ooh, when the holidays come through, it's gonna be so much fun. So I had to make my very first fall makeup tutorial for this year. I know I have one on my channel already, but that was for last year, so I figured why not do a different one. I'm going to be doing a very beautiful look for you guys. I'm so excited. Like, you have no idea how excited I am. I love fall, I love the colors, I love everything about it, the smells, everything. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. If you love my videos or if you just want to support me, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below. I love hearing from you guys as always. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow my social medias, which I will link on the screen somewhere. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video because I'm so excited to do this makeup look. All right, now as you can already see, I obviously already did my face makeup, my brows are done, and my face is done. I'm gonna let this video mainly focus on the eye look because I feel like that is what's important. You guys have seen me do my face makeup like a million times. So if you want just a face makeup tutorial, I can do that for you guys. But I mean, let's be honest, we're all about the eyes, so let's get into action. Now, do not drag me, okay, because I know this is an outdated palette, but to me, it's a brand new palette because I wasn't able to afford it before. So today, I am going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited. It's brand new. I haven't even busted it open or played with it yet, so I'm like super excited. Now, if you don't know already, they have a really fuzzy cover, which is like, it just makes it so elegant. It's like velvety, it's beautiful. And the color of it is obviously fallish. So let's totally jump right into this. I'm thinking of doing like a cranberry kind of halo eye today. So I went ahead and tied my hair back. Now I still need to prime my eyelids. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe eyelid primer. This is one of my favorites. I really want to try the Anastasia one, but I haven't gotten the chance yet. Hopefully I will soon. I just take a small amount like so on my pinky finger and dab it out all over my lid. Gonna put a little bit of translucent powder underneath my eyes so that I don't ruin my face makeup in case there's any fallout, because I will be using darker colors and we don't want to ruin the face. So I'm just gonna be using the Milk Makeup translucent powder and just putting a very like heavy application, but only right underneath my eye. I'm not gonna bring it downwards. Okay, I totally look like a crazy person right now, but just ignore that. Yep, let's ignore that. Okay, I'm so excited to touch this palette. Eee! I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush that it came with, and on the fluffy end of that brush, and dip very lightly right into the color Burnt Orange, which is this color right here. And I'm really just lightly placing that in the crease. Then I'm gonna go back and blend it out. As I am going to be doing a halo eye, I'm also going to take this in the inner corner of my eye. And then with the remaining product on my brush, I'm just going to kind of flick it outwards. Just to really elongate the eye. Give it that cat eye shape. And for this color, I'm just using as my transition color. I could not think of the word for whatever reason, so it does not have to be perfect. Taking the same brush, not dipping any more product on it, and I'm just blending out the lines that I already have created. Kind of bringing that upwards more towards my brow bone. And really softening out the look. Okay, now I don't know if you can tell too well on camera, but this looks like extremely blended. It's looking so fab and I love it. I'm picking up the shade Love Letter, which is this beautiful berry color right here. This palette is basically known for the shade Love Letter, so I'm extremely excited to see how it's gonna turn out. I feel like it's a perfect shade for fall. It's so plum and berry and I love it. I'm really gonna pack it onto my brush and really pack it into my crease. Okay, this color is like so beautiful. I love it. I totally see what the hype was for. By the way, if you don't have this palette or you just don't want to use this specific palette, you can always take the same techniques and do whatever colors you want or have available to you. I do that all the time. And since I am doing the halo eye, once again, I'm going to be going in the inner corner of my lid and on the outer corner of my lid and really pack it. Alright, and now I'm going to be using the same exact brush, not dipping it back into the palette, but I'm just going to be kind of blending it a little bit upwards, but you don't want to go past the transition color. You really just want to keep it in this eye circle, if that makes any sense. Just really try and soften those edges up. Oh god, my back is killing me. So now that I softened these edges up, I'm literally gonna go back in with the same exact color and really pack more into the crease, just because I want it to be very prominent. Okay, so I think that looks absolutely perfect and stunning. I love the way that it's turning out. I have like so many animals in this house, including my cat and my puppy, so it sounds like a farm up in here. So if you hear any like background noises, I'm so sorry. Now for the center of the halo eye, I want to use a very beautiful gold shimmery shade, which is not one, I mean, the palette is absolutely beautiful, but it's not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to be taking the Colourpop single shade. This is their Super Shock Shadow and it's called Lightning Bug. Now I love this shade. It's the perfect gold shade and has so much shimmer in it. I think it's gonna be absolutely perfect and stunning for this very plum look that I'm going for. But first I really need to lay something down to kind of hold and make that glitter stick so it doesn't get on the upper end of my eyelid. So I'm going to be using the NYX Pigment Primer. It's a base primer, but I use this for glitter. I'm just gonna take that and place it all in the middle of my eyelid, everywhere that I want the glitter to go. So now as you can see, you can literally tell exactly where I placed it. I think that's going to be the perfect placement for this. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and dip right into the Colourpop pigment, and I'm just gonna be using my ring finger so that it comes out super pigmented. I'm just gonna go ahead and place that right where I placed that glitter glue. Okay, so this looks really pretty. I'm seriously loving it. Now I'm gonna go back with the brush that I had Love Letter on, and I'm just gonna go around just to make sure that there's no excess glitter. I was gonna do some eyeliner, and you can if you want to, but I think I'm gonna actually skip out because I really love the way the shadow's looking on its own. So with that being said, the next thing I need to do is lashes. First, before I get into my lashes, I'm just gonna pop this black Pixi Eye Define Waterline pencil right underneath my lash line, just to kind of give it a more full effect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and pop on some mascara, and then I'll be right back and put my falsies on. Now for my eyelashes today, I'm going to be using the lashes by Flutter Lashes, and I'm gonna be using the style Selfie. They look like this. Now these lashes are super dramatic and I haven't tried them out before, so I hope they look good with this look, but I think they go perfect because this is kind of a dramatic look. Now, if you couldn't tell already, this look was so easy to accomplish, and I'm telling you, like, it did not take me long at all to do that look. Like, it really did not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of the lash glue, and I'm using the Kiss Striplash Adhesive, and I always use the black one if you're wondering. Okay, so now the lashes are applied. They look absolutely beautiful, and I am ready to complete the underside of my eye, put on a little bit of mascara, do the inner corner and brow bone, and then your eye look is completely done. Like, oh my god, how easy and simple was that? It's like so freaking nice. I love it. By the way, these lashes are like really nice. They applied super easy. They're super fluttery. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia brush from the palette. I'm gonna be using the flatter end. I'm gonna go back into the shade Burnt Orange, which is the same color we used as the transition color. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack it right underneath the eye. Alright, and now that I packed that on, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the color Love Letter and pack that under my eye as well, right on top of the transition shade. I'm gonna be taking my mascara and applying a layer right onto my bottom lashes. Alright, so now that I completed the eye, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner and also the brow bone. I'm gonna be using the shade Vermeer from the palette, this one right here. So I'm really just gonna pack it in there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! Holy crap, this is so pretty. Okay, and then right underneath my brow bone as well. Wow, this eye look is so freaking gorgeous. I can't even get over it. It's so beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump off camera, do the other eye real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys to finish up the makeup look. I hope you're enjoying this so far. Hey everybody, I am back. I went ahead and did the other eye. The eye look is completed, and I've got to say I am so obsessed with it. I look so good, so poppin'. This couldn't be like more fall. Like, it looks so good. I love it so much. So now all that's left is to do highlight and lips, and that's it. So I'm so excited. I'll go ahead and start off with the highlight. I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner highlighting palette, and this was the collection that she made for her daughter Stormy. So I love this palette. It's really beautiful. I'm going to go in with the gold shade right here. It's definitely my favorite one out of the palette. First, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my nose. Go above my lip, Cupid's bow, tip of my chin, and then with my gigantic highlighting brush, I'm gonna go in on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead as well, just to give it a nice glow. Now the last thing to do is lips. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty collection, and this one comes with a lip liner, a liquid lipstick, and a lip gloss, which is going to be absolutely perfect for this fall color. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and the lipstick is in shade Bombshell. Okay, so my lips are lined. Now I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick, and this is also in shade Bombshell. And her formula is really amazing. I'm super in love with it. I've used a lot of her lipsticks before. Alright, and then normally I would top it with gloss, the gloss that it comes with, because it's super beautiful gold shade, but I'm really loving the matte look, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it matte for this look. So this is the completed finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my autumn makeup look. I love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you try it yourself. If you do try it yourself, please let me know and send me pictures. You can always tweet them out or send them to my Instagram account, so I'm going to go ahead and link my social media on the screen somewhere. Go ahead and follow me. I love to hear from you guys, and it really means a lot to me when you do that. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thank you just so much for all of your support and everything. It really means the world to me. And I'm also just letting you guys know I'm gonna be posting about 2 times a week now on YouTube and a few times a week on Instagram. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe. I am now gonna be super consistent, and I have been for the past few weeks, and I have been absolutely loving it. I feel so good. It really is my passion to do this. It's just so much fun. Like, whether I get a lot of subscribers or not, I'm just gonna enjoy what I'm doing and just put stuff out there that I would want to see. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions that you would like me to film, go ahead and let me know. But yeah, just subscribe and keep up with me. I really appreciate it, and I'm going to be linking all the products that I used today down below in the description box. So if you need anything else, just let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching today, and you have a wonderful evening. Bye!